Welcome to Pro Speak English. Let's learn to speak English with confidence.
Hello, and welcome to our new series on parenting. Parenting is full of joy, but also full of challenges. Today, we are in our living room. It is a busy morning, and we are trying to get our son ready for school. Listen to how we discuss our morning routine and try to solve a problem. Let's begin.
Sarah, we really need to change our morning routine. We are running late again today.
I know, David. It feels like a race every single day. What is causing the biggest delay?
It is the breakfast time. Leo takes a very long time to finish the cereal. We spend 20 minutes just waiting for him.
That is true. Maybe he is too tired to eat quickly. Do you think we should wake him up earlier?
If we wake him up earlier, he might be grumpy. Maybe we can prepare breakfast the night before?
That is a good idea. We could make overnight oats or something simple. It would save us time cooking.
Exactly. And what about his school bag? I noticed he could not find his homework this morning.
Yes, that was stressful. We should make a rule that his bag must be packed before he goes to sleep.
I agree. If the bag is by the door, we can just grab it and leave. It reduces the panic.
Okay, so the new plan is bag packed at night and quick breakfast prepared in advance.
Do you think we should also lay out his clothes? He spent 10 minutes choosing a shirt today.
Oh, definitely. Choosing clothes takes forever. Let's choose them together after bath time.
Great. I think this will make our mornings much smoother. I hate rushing to the car.
Me too. It's not a good way to start the day. Let's try this routine starting tonight.
Sounds like a plan. I'll go check if he has his shoes on now. Wish me luck.
Good luck. I'll grab the keys. We can still make it on time if we hurry.
All right, let's go. Teamwork makes the dream work, right?
Did you hear the phrase running late? This means we are behind schedule. We also talked about packing the bag. These are very common phrases when discussing daily routines. In the next video, we will talk about managing screen time for children. See you there. Welcome back. Technology is everywhere, and it can be hard to manage how much time our children spend on devices. In this lesson, David and I are discussing screen time. This is the amount of time a child spends watching TV or playing on a tablet. Let's listen to our disagreement and solution.
Sarah, did you notice how long Leo was on the tablet today? I think it was over 2 hours.
Was it really that long? I was busy cooking, so I did not track the time. That is too much.
Yes, he was watching cartoons from 4 p.m. until dinner. We need to set stricter limits.
I agree, but sometimes I need him to be quiet while I work or clean. The tablet helps keep him occupied.
I understand that. It is a useful tool. But if he watches too much, he gets irritable when we take it away.
That is true. He threw a fit yesterday when I turned off the TV. So what is a fair limit?
I suggest 30 minutes on weekdays and maybe 1 hour on weekends. Is that reasonable?
30 minutes is very short. Maybe 45 minutes? That is enough for 2 episodes of his favorite show.
Okay, 45 minutes works, but we must use a timer. When the timer rings, the device goes off.
I like the timer idea. It makes the rule objective, not just us being mean parents.
Exactly, and no screens before bed. The blue light makes it hard for him to sleep.
Agreed. No screens after dinner. We can read books or play with toys instead.
What if he asks to watch educational videos? Does that count as screen time?
That is tricky. I think it still counts. His eyes need a break from the screen, regardless of the content.
You are right. Consistency is key. We need to follow these rules ourselves, too.
Oh, you mean no scrolling on our phones while we are with him? That will be hard for us.
It will be hard, but we must set a good example. Let's start the new screen diet tomorrow.
Deal. Let's go hide the tablet in the drawer so he's not tempted in the morning.
Good thinking. Out of sight, out of mind. I'll put it away now.
We use the word limit a lot. A limit is a point or level that you cannot go past. We also mentioned a timer. In the next conversation, we will talk about what happens when children get very angry, tantrums. See you in the next lesson. Hello again. Dealing with big emotions is a huge part of parenting. Sometimes children have tantrums, sudden explosions of anger or crying. David just came back from the grocery store, and it sounds like he had a difficult time. Let's hear what happened.
Wow, that trip to the supermarket was a disaster. I am completely exhausted.
Oh no, did Leo have a meltdown? He seemed tired before you left.
Meltdown is an understatement. He started screaming because I would not buy him a chocolate bar.
That is so hard, especially in public. Everyone looks at you. What did you do?
At first, I tried to reason with him. I explained that we were having dinner soon, but he just cried louder.
Reasoning usually does not work when they are that emotional. Did you get angry?
I almost did. I felt my face getting hot, but I remembered what we read about staying calm.
Good for you. Staying calm is the hardest part. So how did you stop the crying?
I squatted down to his eye level. I said, "I see you were sad because you want the candy." I validated his feelings.
That is perfect. Validation helps them feel heard. Did he calm down after that?
Not immediately. He cried for another minute, but then he hugged me. I stayed firm on the no candy rule, though.
It is important to stay firm. If you gave him the candy, he would learn that screaming works.
Exactly. It was embarrassing, but I think I handled it okay. I just left the cart and walked him to a quiet corner.
Moving to a quiet spot is a great strategy. It removes the audience. You did a great job, David.
Thanks. I need a coffee now. Parenting requires so much patience.
It certainly does. Next time, make sure he has a snack before you go shopping. A hungry child is a grumpy child.
Lesson learned. Next time, I'm bringing apple slices with me.
We use the word meltdown, which is another word for a tantrum or emotional explosion. We also talked about validating feelings. This means accepting the feelings as real. Up next, we tackle another challenge, picky eating. See you soon. Welcome back to the table. One of the most common parenting struggles is food. Getting children to eat vegetables can feel like a battle. In this scene, we are discussing our son's refusal to eat his broccoli. Let's see how we handle a picky eater.
I do not understand it. He used to love broccoli when he was a baby. Now he won't touch it.
Toddler tastes change all the time. Did he try at least one bite?
No. He pushed the plate away and said, "Yucky." It is frustrating because I cooked a healthy meal.
I know it is annoying, but we shouldn't force him to eat. That creates a negative association with food.
So what do we do? Just let him eat pasta every night? He needs vitamins.
We have to be creative. Maybe we can chop the broccoli very small and hide it in the pasta sauce.
Ah, the stealth method. That might work. But I also want him to learn to like the vegetable itself.
That takes time. We have to keep offering it. Put a small piece on his plate every day, even if he doesn't eat it.
Exposure, right? Eventually it won't look scary to him.
Exactly. And we need to model it. If he sees us enjoying the broccoli, he might get curious.
Okay, I will make a big show of how delicious this broccoli is. So crunchy.
Don't overdo it. He will know you are faking it. Just be natural.
What about dessert? Should I tell him no broccoli, no ice cream?
I try to avoid using food as a reward. Dessert shouldn't be the prize. Let's just focus on a balanced plate.
That makes sense. Okay, plan B for tomorrow, we make broccoli trees and pretend we are dinosaurs eating them.
I love that idea. Making food fun is the best way to get him interested. You are a good dinosaur dad.
Rawr. I will go clear the table. Maybe the dinosaur method will work tomorrow.
We use the phrase picky eater. This describes someone who only likes a few specific foods. We also talked about negative association, which means connecting a bad feeling to something. In our final video, we will wind down with the bedtime routine. See you there. We have made it to the end of the day. The final challenge is the bedtime routine. Getting a child to sleep can be exhausting, but it is also a special time for bonding. David just came out of Leo's room. Let's see if he was successful.
Shh. He is finally asleep. Mission accomplished.
Oh, thank goodness. It was quiet in there. Did he ask for 100 glasses of water tonight?
Only 1 glass tonight, but he wanted 3 stories. I had to read the dinosaur book twice.
He loves that book. I hope you did the dinosaur voices properly.
Of course, I'm a professional storyteller now. But seriously, having a routine helps him settle down.
Yes, the bath, the pajamas, the teeth brushing, the sequence signals his brain that it is time to sleep.
I noticed he was calmer tonight because we didn't use the tablet. Our plan is working.
That is great to hear. No blue light means better melatonin production. Did you turn on the nightlight?
Yes, the star projector is on. It looks very cozy in there. I almost fell asleep myself.
Be careful. If you fall asleep in his bed, I will leave you there until morning.
Please don't. His bed is too small for me. Now that he is sleeping, what should we do?
We should relax. Maybe watch a movie or just enjoy the silence.
Silence sounds wonderful. Parenting is rewarding, but I need some adult time now.
It is important to recharge. We can't be good parents if we are empty inside.
You are right. Let's go sit on the sofa and do absolutely nothing.
That is the best plan I have heard all day. Let's go.
After you, my dear. Good night, world.
And that concludes our series on parenting. We covered morning routines, screen time, tantrums, picky eating, and bedtime. I hope these conversations help you talk about your own family life in English. Thank you for watching, and sweet dreams!